What I want to show you in this video is how to load the tension ring onto the cylinder. And in another video I show you how to do that manually, but now I want to show you how to use the easy action ring loader which comes with your Esteem manual device. So in order to do that, it's always about lining up the tension ring onto the cylinder properly, and you'll notice the tension rings that come with your Esteem manual shaped like the elephant's head. So you've got the bottom here, which is the urethral notch. We want that to be on the bottom of the penis when we load this. So when you've identified your personal preference, the 10 or 15 minutes a day that you're using the device, practicing, and you've identified the top and the bottom of the cylinder, once you've done that, then you want to identify obviously the bottom where you want this urethral notch to match up. So if I've done that, and for me, let's just, for our purposes, let's assume the Esteem logo here is the top of the device. That means that I want this urethral notch to be on the bottom when I load it. Now the way we load it is to first put this piece on the inside of the cylinder. I want this white dot to line up with the bottom. So you see I've got the Esteem logo at the top, I've got the white dot on the bottom, and that matters because I'm going to line up this urethral notch with that white dot. Before I do that though, I want to make sure I apply an appropriate amount of lubricant on here, so it just makes it easier to glide the tension ring onto the cylinder. So I'm just going to go around, apply that lubricant. Then I want to load this on here, again matching up that notch with the white dot. Once I've done that, I want to kind of get this lubricant moved around. It just makes it easier, makes it smoother when you go to that transition. Once I've done that, then again, the Esteem logo is at the top, the notch is at the bottom. I feel like I'm properly lined up. I can always adjust it when I get it onto the cylinder. And then I'm going to take the second part, and then I'm going to drive it down on there, and then you'll see that I'm loaded easily. And the tension ring, because of the lubricant that was on the device, now makes its way onto the cylinder. But just make sure I adjust this where I want it to be. And I have my pump and I load it on here the way I want that to be. Everything lines up. And the reason we load this before we build the erection is so that once the erection is established, we don't have to break the vacuum seal and then try to figure out how to get the tension ring onto the base of the penis. It's already ready to then just slide off, easily adjust it as you need it, and then you're ready for intercourse.